as summer holidays are half completed, I guess, but whatever. Kind of lucky then, I guess. I got SolidWorks because SolidWorks are made free. As you know, I already made it in Canva, so I added a few like the assets like a button, and then it's very simple because I just copy pasted the picture from Canva. Designing on Figma is kinda difficult because I just started right now. If you hover around the button, it changes the color, and when you click it, it takes you to the page which you've clicked. See? This is what I made. I know this looks more like government website thing, like it looks shitty, I know, but today is day one of my Figma, and as you can see, they open things, and I didn't think about it, and yeah, scroll, and these questions are, oh wait, what? Why ain't it scrolling, dude? This is what I made. As you can see, the register is like now I'm gonna try make it better, I guess. I want to make something like cyberpunk with a Japanese street thing, so let's see. Well, I wasn't understanding what I'm supposed to do. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to do anything on SolidWorks. Because I actually started doing a mouse on SolidWorks, and I'm not enjoying the process at all. And I don't know what to do because I really don't know what to do. Still, when my YouTube recommended me mechatronics classes. Well, just now I remembered that I wanted to do 3D animation since a long time, so I took this out of the box finally. But I don't know what software you use or where to begin, so I'm going to search for a few softwares. I might be using Krita right now because Flipperclip is not available on PC. I just varnished this. Ooh, the shine. Varnish there. I bought it from a paint store somehow. It's not. 저기 잘생긴 남자 보이나? Hi. Well, today is 1st of July. 1st of June, and as you know by now that I've already submitted my Figma link for that sock. Actually, I could have done better, but the thing is that I just can't learn so much of auto layout in just one day to make it happen, and nor I was that interested into learning Figma. And there's another society that is called CGS. It's like Computer Graphics Society. I actually tried for it in the first year, but the thing is that my laptop crashed very badly that I couldn't even properly complete that But actually, that was like to make some weapon, like game weapon. And I did look to God, I'm so humbled by the tasks of CGS.